Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be fitting Lensun Solar bonnet solars. These panels are designed for the Mercedes Sprinter 907 van conversions, and these are an 80-watt solar panel configuration that allows you to put these onto the bonnet by sticking them on, wiring through using the various cables, which I'll show you in a minute, via an MPPT which is provided straight into the vehicle battery. So when your van is parked up and doing nothing, then it's just soaking the sun, using the solar via the MPPT, keep your van battery topped up. And this is what we're going to be fitting over the next couple of days, because it takes a bit of a time to fit them onto my Mercedes Sprinter van conversion. Let's take a look at the kit. So what you've got underneath here, this is a vinyl that you fit to the van first, and then this is the semi-rigid solar panel that fits onto either side of the van. So it comes with the equipment that you buy, 2 panels. It comes with all the MC4 connectors and extension cable that you will need to configure this into your van. It also comes with a couple of MC4 2-to-1 connectors, because obviously you're going to be connecting the 2 panels up together. That will allow you to then come into this MPPT and plug and play. And again, this all connects into the vehicle battery, and I'll show you how that's going to fit later on in the video. But what I have done, we've made this. I haven't made it, a friend made it for me. This little mounting panel, this has been made so it fits into the bonnet screws on the hinge, and I'll show you why I've done that later. It comes with a number of accessories, such as like this for when you're doing the vinyl, little squeezy pads, some sticky tabs and some zip ties. It does come with 2 rolls of M3 tape, double-sided sticky tape, but after watching a couple of videos, it recommends that you buy some extra to fit this down. Some of the things that you are going to need is a squeezy bottle full of soapy liquid for fitting the vinyl. Apart from that, that is the kit and equipment: 2 panels, all the MC4 cabling, solar cable, a solar MPPT made by Lensun Solar, all the accessories you need to fit, some 3M tape, and a lot of instructions as well. These vinyl attachments do come pre-rolled, so the best thing to do is unroll them, leave them flat on the table, put the solar panel things onto the top and just let them sit flat for a while. They do come in a separate roll. It comes in 3 different packages: panels, MPPT, and then the vinyl. So just leave them to lay flat for a couple of hours. That'll make it easier. The first thing you are going to have to do is to clean the bonnet, to make sure you removed any deep grime and all that sort of stuff. Kev, give that a clean. And then on here, so this has been pre-cleaned, and what I have done here, I've marked this center line here. So I've measured from the top across to here to here. That's my center line. So it was about 80 centimeters across, 40 in the middle. You follow that down, there is a ridge on these Sprinter vans. You can just see that, and I've marked that center line there. So that will kind of give me a center line across the bonnet. And then what I need to do in a minute is literally spray this with some soapy water. I'm going to give it one more clean, and then we can start fitting the film. Just some soapy water, get it on. So that's the vinyl on. Now, there's a few more things in there. That's pretty cool. But that's the vinyl on. Now I've got to leave that for around 24 to 48 hours before we can fit the solar panels. But that's not bad. Not bad at all. Smooth as a baby's ass. So once this vinyl's dried, it's not in the right position, but that will be kind of how the solar panels there and stick on. So that's that in. I can't do very much else until Sunday now because it's Friday. So let's just leave them not in direct sunlight, but just as they are, and let that vinyl stick on. It looks pretty cool. There we are. So stage one complete. Now, while the vinyl is drying, what I'm going to be doing now is this is the MPPT controller that Lensun Solar sends to you, which connects the solar panels on the bonnet into the vehicle battery. So what we've made here is like this little bracket, cable tied in. It's vented at the back there as well to allow any heat. It's made of aluminium, so it's pretty lightweight. And they've been drilled, I think it's 80mm distance between the center holes to that center hole, and I'll show you in here. So in here there is 2 bolts there, and that basically holds that hinge for the bonnet. So what I'm going to do is take them out, and then basically that fits in there on those 2 holes, and that'll be mounted there. And the reason I've done that part is this gasket here, I can undo that cable tie, take that off and pass the wiring straight through into the cab area and then straight down into the vehicle back. So now that's in, that ain't going nowhere, and that is all the cables in. So the next part of what we've got to do is, using all this mastic tape, is start off with the outsides and then crisscross around. The pain in the friggin' arse. So provided with the kit is this roll of 3M tape, and you use that to line all the edges and up and down across, and then once you've done that you can then put the fat panel onto the bonnet. That's the outside done. Now I need to run some strips down. Then with some masking tape, tape this to the bonnet, because you've only got one chance to get the 3M tape on, and what you want to do is take this in position and peel from underneath. So then hopefully you just lift this up. You got to now peel all that tape off bit by bit and then stick it down. Now they're on with all the 3M tape, and I've just put down some masking tape just to hold like the corners down. Seems to be sticking really well at the moment, no issues whatsoever. They will leave them for a couple of hours, just have a look and see if anything starts to peel off. I did watch some other videos of how other people have done these, and what they've done once these have dried down is just mask up again, and then run a bead of like Sikaflex around the edge, all the way around on these, just to stop some water ingress coming underneath the panel. But yeah, great, absolutely happy with that. Really nervous about doing it, just in case I messed it up, but that vinyl was on 48 hours, dried, no issues whatsoever. Panels are on with lots of 3M tape, leave them, and then we can run wires and secure them in towards where the MPPT is, I showed you earlier, and then I can run the cable in from the MPPT through the grommet into the cab area and see how long it is. So I don't think it's long enough. I buy some more cable, and then I can fit the MPPT first to the battery before I plug the solar, and then see if it works. That's where we are at the moment. I'll pick this up later. Let me get some light on here. So what I've done is run the cable from each panel underneath here, all the way down here, alongside here, and then ran it into here, because that is where the MPPT is going to sit. So I've put the steps down, solar panel controls, but I haven't plugged it in because I've got to run that cable there through that grommet and then in towards the battery. So that's the bonnet down. So you can see the solar panel cables now run through there and to there, and the panels have really stuck down, no issues whatsoever. So as you can see here on these edges, I will run a bead of Sikaflex eventually through them all the way around just to seal them up. But that's the bonnet solar on. Look at that. That's the bonnet solar all fixed in. Looks really good. Really happy with them. They've bonded really well, stuck down really well, no issues whatsoever so far. Like I say, I will go over all these edges with Sikaflex eventually, but they have bonded really well. They're a finger beauty. Let me know what you think in the comments. That's bonnet solar fixed to my Mercedes Sprinter campervan. So these cables come off the MPPT here. I've brought them through this gasket here. So I've just done this cable tie, that's mounted on. Just need to bring these cables through a bit more. I'm good. So these cables come through there, and that's the battery box there. That's where we've got to get the cables into there. So on the cabling side, I've run it through here, underneath the fuse board, and then I've got down to here. But what I found is the live cable to get over to the positive terminal is just not long enough, so I've had to extend it with some extra cable with these Wago clips. Keep the fuse on, and there's the negative, so I need to connect the negative and the positive to the battery before plugging in the solar. So that's the negative and the positive cables connected into the battery. Just to now put all this away, and then we can put the battery box cover back up, put everything back in and leave it. So the final part of the video was something that I didn't film, but literally I've just gone round the whole of the bonnet solar with a bead of Sikaflex, and they're all sealed. So I've gone round the bonnet solars with a bead of Sikaflex just to seal the outer edge and stop any water ingress underneath the panels. They're all done, they're all wired in. I'll show you them in the video in a second, but that's all passed through the grommet that's in here, where the wiring loom goes through, straight down. I had to extend the cable. That's now into the vehicle battery, and it is charging the vehicle battery. There's not much sun today, but it's getting a little bit, But that's it for today's video. So I hope that you like the bonnet solars by Lensun Solar, the 90-watt bonnet solar for the Mercedes Sprinter. And that is it. That's all done. Job done. On to the next one.